I mixed rosemary with carnation. Once you find out why, you'll want to thank me for it. Rosemary clove tea is a very powerful remedy that few people know about. And when you know all that this medicine can do for you, you'll want to take it today. A tea that will improve your immune system, prevent respiratory diseases, lower cholesterol, improve digestion, reduce anxiety, and much more. Our first ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary fights many diseases and pathogens that threaten the immune system and harm the body. The active component in rosmarin is a natural antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial. The antioxidant components act as a second line of defense behind the body's own immune system. For the recipe, we will need 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary. You can also use dried rosemary, in which case, use a tablespoon. Our second ingredient is cloves. So, you can use it. It is not necessary to use it for light aromas, but it can also be used for home remedies. It contains a component called eugenol that can fight serious fungal, viral, and bacterial diseases. Studies also show that insulin sensitivity means what the best ally can turn out to be. The eugenol in cloves is a strong anti-inflammatory property, which really affects arthritis, inflammation, and general body pain. And that's not all. Cloves also improve liver health, protect cells from inflammation and degeneration. In our pan, we are going to add 5 cloves or half a tablespoon of powdered cloves. Over low heat, cook for 5 minutes. Remove from the heat and let the tea cool naturally for 10 minutes. Strain the drink and discard the used ingredients. For best results, drink for a week. Eat within 8 hours of preparing it so as not to lose its medicinal properties. And oh, you can also sweeten it with half a spoonful of honey if you want. Thanks so much for watching the next video. Be careful. Kisses and goodbye. If you liked this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Above all, turn on the notification bell and you will receive more content like this every day. We are waiting for you in the next video. Thank you very much.